type force, right? Integration of px bar linear by quadratic or linear by root of quadratic or linear multiplied by root of quadratic. Okay, गोटे linear factor देखियो गोटे quadratic factor. L means px plus q and q is suppose ax square plus bx plus c. This type of integration, and it is very important. We will try to learn this, how to solve this type of questions. Okay. Step 1. Step 1 को करिए express L linear, right, with the help of derivative of quadratic. With the help of derivative of quadratic, right? Till now हम कौन करते हैं? Linear by linear कौन करते हैं? Linear टाको, right? ऊपर जो linear टा अच्छी, से linear को denominator जो linear थिला, ताकि express करते हैं, right? जो लगी हम L1 by L2, right? L1 टाको हमें L2 रो help नहीं करिए L1 टाको हमें लिखते हैं, right? बतन कौन करी? एक केस रे slightly difference. We have to write L with the help of derivative of quadratic. Quadratic रो derivative रो help रे तमें right? कौन सा है? L is equal to lambda into whatever lambda mu, okay, that is fine. Lambda into derivative of go on mute please, or don't unmute yourself. Derivative of quadratic, right? Linear is equal to lambda into derivative of quadratic plus mu. बस यदि लंबड़ा और म्यू वैल्यू काट देते कम हो गया था, राइट? तो कौन करिए? Again you will get an identity, right? You will get an identity जिम्मे जावे वो identity जो x रो x दर n रो corresponding coefficient सब बोले समान हो, right? वो माने identity केतल कोई और तो already explain कर ची जब गोटे equation तो नहीं जब गोटे identity रो corresponding coefficient of x to the power n in both sides will always same. So we can solve in that way. Okay. Step 2. That is called L into L यार कौन लिखिए? L यार lambda into q dash. We will do an example. I'm not doing here. Plus mu by quadratic. Okay. This is the form. We will do how we will do that. Step 2. Step 2 busy. Busy means according to my teaching style, balga, right? Busy or separate, right? Separate कॉल कौन हो? Lambda into q dash by q, right? Go to your integration plus mu into mu टा तो constant, lambda constant, पता बार कर परिये, right? plus mu into 1 by q into dx, right? বর্তমানে এটা কম lambda constant কত পড়েছো q dash by q dx plus mu minus মানে lambda mu ର value हमको काढिया पड़े আমি काढी नहीं ହେଲା we have to solve, okay? And this is type 3 I can say 1 by quadratic ଥିଲେ कोन करछे आर प्रोसेस हमें टाइप 3 रे देखिछे, राइट? टाइप 3 कोन करथले x स्क्वायर कोएफिशिएंट यूनिटी करथले x रो कोएफिशिएंट रो आधा रो स्क्वायर मिसै की फेडी की परफेक्ट स्क्वायर आनी की फॉर्मूला करथले, राइट? दिस इज दैट एंड दिस इज तळ डेरिवेटिव ऊपर होइला, राइट? तळ डेरिवेटिव ऊपर होइला तो ln तळ, राइट? एंड लैम्बडा इनटू ln तळ प्लस mu इनटू mu into type 3 जी सॉल्व करछे type 3 that is type 3 टा कोन 1 by quadratic or 1 by root over quadratic or root over quadratic, right? Type 3 टा एवढा we have already learned how to solve these integrations, okay? I hope you have noted down. We will do an example. We will learn how to solve this type of questions.
स्टेप के धरि सब करछन ना सर स्टेप जाक धरि के करछन ना इंटीग्रेशन सर स्टेप जाक धरि के इंटीग्रेशन करछन दे
हां
हां हो सर
क्वेश्चन सपोज दिया 2x
टिके ऊपर करन दुसने टिके ऊपर
सपोज दिया 2x plus 3 by 3x plus 2, suppose 3x plus 2 by x square plus x square plus 2x minus 5, suppose, okay? Step 1 काम करो linear is equal to lambda into derivative of quadratic, right? X square plus 2x minus 5 plus mu. linear को हमें ए फॉर्म रे लिखिया लिखला पर lambda और mu रो वैल्यू आने linear आने दिए 3x plus 2, right? That is 3x plus 2 is equal to lambda into our derivative कितने 2x plus 2 plus mu, right? That is 3x plus 2 is equal to हमें coefficient equate करिए, right? Kind this is an identity or property कौन x to the power n of coefficient both side समान है, so coefficient of x to the power n प्रथम काढा that is 2 lambda x plus 2 lambda plus mu, right? So this is equal to this is equal to this, right? It implies 3 is equal to 2 lambda and 2 lambda plus mu is equal to 2, correct? So lambda is equal to 3 by 2, lambda value together 2 into lambda में कितने 3 by 2 plus mu जो 2, तो mu is equal to हमारा -1, mu is equal to -1, right? Lambda mu value पड़ेगा, therefore from equation 1, right, 3x plus 2 is equal to lambda ଗୋଟେ ଆସିଲା 3/2 into ଏଇଟା ପକେଇବା ସରି ଏଇଟା ପକେଇବା, right? lambda into lambda will 3/2 into 2x plus 2 plus mu -1 mu ମାନେ ଆସିଲା -1 बस काम हमर ହେଇଗଲା ଏତିକି ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିବାକୁ ଥିଲା, right? step 2 କାମ କଣ ପକେଇଦା ନାହିଁ 3x plus 2 ଜାଗାରେ ପକେଇଦା, right? 3x plus 2 ଜାଗାରେ ମୁଁ ଏତିକି ଲେଖି ଦେଇ is equal to integration दा is equal to 3/2 2x plus 2 minus 1 by x square plus 2x minus 5 बहुत सिंपल जिनिस मिथले मैथमेटिक्स ହେଲା ସେଇଆ, right? practice that is busy अलगा right? कलम होला 3/2 2x plus 2 by x square plus 2x minus 5 dx minus 1 by तो माइनस टा बाहर रख देली dx by x square plus 2x minus 5 फाइदा तो हम करछे ऑलरेडी लास्ट क्लास रे हम करछे, राइट? केमे सॉल्व करा हो x square कोएफिशिएंट यूनिटी करियो आटा त छले दियो प्रथम एटा केते था 3/2 ln तळ डेट ऊपर ले काई हम फॉर्मूला जानिछे f(x) by fx dx is equal to ln fx, right? आगा में ହେଲା तळ डेट ऊपर ले तळ डेट केते 2x plus 2 ऊपर अछि तळ डेट ऊपर अछि √9 ln तळ √over अछि 2 रूट तळ, राइट? minus yes check the coefficient of x square if it is unity or not. Yes, it is unity. x square coefficient is unity, so आधा बड़ नंबर कटि गेला. नेक्स्ट स्टेप कोन जदी यूनिटी अछि x रो कोएफिशिएंट रो आधा रो स्क्वायर मिस ऑफ फेडा, राइट? dx by x square plus 2x plus आधा रो स्क्वायर आर आधा केते x रो कोएफिशिएंट केते 2 तार आधा केते 1 तार स्क्वायर केते 1 स्क्वायर 1 और 1 स्क्वायर लिखो -5 प्लस करते माने -1 स्क्वायर -5 टा थिला ओले देली खाली, राइट? दैट इज 3/2 ln x square plus 2x minus 5 minus dx by x plus 1 the whole square. This is x plus 1 the whole square, right? Minus 6 √6 the whole square. Formula नवग्रह फॉर्मूला में जानिछे dx by root over dx by x square minus a square dx by x square plus a square dx by a square minus x square. Check the suitable formula and put, that will give you the answer. This will give you 6 marks. That is 3/2 ln x square plus 2x minus 5 minus x square minus 1 by 2a ln x minus a x माने क्या देखे x plus 1 minus a माने √6 by x plus 1 plus √6 plus 3 answer, right? Okay, perfect. किंतु जेमिति हम लिनियर रे कोएफिशिएंट इक्वेट करी करथले तापर बी टेक्निक सिखली कि डायरेक्ट हम लिख परिया, right? Direct किंदी denominator रो derivative को बा quadratic रो derivative को direct mu किमित लिखी, right? That is my method 2. Same method, same thing I am doing directly, and you will do it on exam directly also, right? So method 2, minus suppose 3, okay, leave it, whatever, suppose minus 3, okay. What I will do, simply I will write the derivative, ध्यान से सुनो, हला, maybe, oh 9 minutes अच्छी, प्रथम derivative लिख दी, right? तला derivative ऊपरे लिख दी, अच्छी रखा, ध्यान से सुनो, हाँ? किसी विषय वस्तु नहीं तुम बुझे दरकार, हला, मैथ से यार, मैथमेटिक्स ला से गॉड म्यूट, ओके, तला derivative ऊपर लिख दी, इले कितने अच्छे, 3 अच्छे, 3 बंदे, थैंक यू, इले 3x किला, जेहेतु इले 3x अच्छी, इले 3 टे गुण दिली, गुणों गुणों, 2 टे अधिक पड़े अच्छी, 2 टे, ये 2 टे एक्स्ट्रा पड़े इसलिए, 3 into 2x, right? किंतु हम लोग अच्छी कहते 3x, तो definitely हमको हरिया पड़े, हर देंगे, already we have done this, we have already done this, right? इले जा रही थी, इले वो ले दी, ओले देली, इले जा रही थी, इले हम तोड़ू, ओले देली, minus इतनी किन को इतनी बस minus 3 by 2 into 2, right? Minus इतनी किन को इतनी process बस खत्म, that is फिर हम 3 by 2 2x plus 2 plus 2 minus 3 minus 1 by x square plus 2x minus 3. Next step, बीजी बीजी. Next step करो. बीजी. That is 3 by 2 integration of 2x2 plus by x square plus 2x minus 3 dx minus dx by x square plus 2x minus 3. Right? That is 3 by 2 ln x square plus 2x minus 3 minus बस এটা टाइप तो जान से 1 by quadratic को दैट करते हैं प्रोसेस x स्क्वायर कोएफिशिएंट यूनिट अच्छी कि नहीं निकले अच्छी आधा टेंशन गला x रो कोएफिशिएंट रो आधा स्क्वायर में से फेडी x स्क्वायर plus 2x plus 1 minus 3 minus 1 x रो कोएफिशिएंट 2 तार आधा 1 तार स्क्वायर 1 स्क्वायर 1 square minus 4, right? That is 3 by 2 ln x square plus 2x minus 3 minus dx by x plus 1 whole square minus 2 the square. 3 by 2 ln x square plus 2x minus 3 minus 1 by 2a ln x minus a by x plus a. We have 5 minutes more. Okay. 3 by 2 ln 2x minus 3 1 by 4 ln this is very important. Long question होता है. So it's almost 40 minutes, so I have to close it and I have to reopen it. We'll learn new things on next video. Thank you. Me too. Join again, huh?